Hello everyone, today I will show you how to convert a PDF file to TIFF format using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element and select this convert option, and here you will find this more option. Click here. Also you will find this select image option and this down arrow, and scroll down and see this TIFF option. Select, and this is setting option. Here you can change image DPI and extend all images and so on. You can convert custom page or all page. I'll make it default and select OK, and you can save this file a specific location or source folder. I'll say source folder and select OK. As this our file now converted, and select open your folder and see this a TIFF format and see this. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.